Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Money Network app not working, crashing or stuck on loading on Android and iPhone. First solution is to restart your phone. Long press the power button until some options appear, then tap on reboot or restart. Second solution is to check for Money Network app update. Just go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Money Network app and see if there's an update. If it is, do it. 3. Check internet connection. Please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Switch to mobile data if you are connected to Wi-Fi. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi, then switch to a mobile data. 4. Force stop or close Money Network app. Open the settings and tap on apps, then manage apps. Look for Money Network, then tap on it and choose force stop. 5. Clear Money Network app cache. Go to settings, app, manage apps. Look for Money Network app and then tap on it. Then click on storage, then clear cache. 6. And finally, check Money Network app permissions. Go to settings, apps, manage apps. Then look for Money Network app and tap on it. Tap on permission, then allow the required permissions. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.